Wow, this is beautiful.
Rig. What year?
Nowy samochodzik.
28.
Oh, 28. Okay, so I was wrong because I said 25. So it's 1928.
Actually start with
To jest samochód, możemy sobie
not
jeździć.
the original drivetrain. So the crank doesn't make.
Young guy!
When I grew up, we had an old 1949. If it was stripped backfire, it could do that. Yeah, and then like that. Drop back. Yeah, and that's a danger. You have to have.
He's gonna freeze today, man.
I do have side curtains, but
Oh, you do?
I didn't put them on. I
Oh,
didn't
okay.
think it would be this cold.
Yeah, well, yesterday was warmer. The day before was way warmer, so.
Yeah, I wish today was like yesterday.
And the actual, is this like the actual original radio?
It wouldn't have come with the radio. This is too early. It
Oh.
would have been a retrofit with the
Or
radio.
retrofit, but still
for
looks
the
pretty
TV
good.
show, they needed the radio.
Oh, I
because
see.
my mother was reincarnated as a car, so she would speak through the radio.
Oh,
That was the idea of the show.
check it out.
One full season. So there were 30 episodes.
My mother the car. What year was that? In what year? Oh, 65. 1965, 66 na filmie był. My mother the car.
Showed on CTV
Mama samochód.
starting at Christmas time, but it was made in the US for NBC network.
Do you remember the Forest Rangers? Watched as a kid.
Yeah,
Forest Rangers.
I love that.
Tractor.
Yeah.
That I had to kick it like that. That was pretty funny. Korba jest do zapalania.
We park it on a hill, but when